Hello, welcome to my video. Today we have a beautiful tattoo on our leg. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Can be applied to the skin for a short period of time. They are a popular form of body art that allow people to experiment with different styles and designs without the commitment of permanent ink. To apply a temporary tattoo, follow these steps. 1. Clean and dry the area where you want to apply the tattoo. Make sure there is no oil, lotion, or sweat on the skin, as this can affect the adhesion of the tattoo. 2. Cut out the desired design from the sheet of temporary tattoos. 3. Remove the clear plastic film from the top of the tattoo, or place the tattoo face down on your skin. 5. Wet a sponge or cloth and gently wet the back of the tattoo paper. Make sure to thoroughly saturate the paper without oversaturating it. 6. Hold the wet cloth on the tattoo for about 30 seconds, allowing the water to penetrate the paper and transfer the design onto your skin. 7. Slowly peel off the paper back, starting at one corner. If the tattoo hasn't fully transferred, you can dampen it again and apply a little pressure to ensure the design sticks. 8. Allow the tattoo to dry completely, which usually takes a few minutes. Be sure to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments what your next tattoo should look like and where to tattoo on the body.